In this Excel challenge, our goal is simple on paper. Extract the city that comes after the last 5-digit postal code. And that word last is more important than you may think. Today's challenge is the perfect occasion to showcase a regex extract function in Excel 365. The main idea here is that a regex lets Excel think in patterns, not columns. Instead of splitting, trimming or using multiple helper columns, we tell Excel exactly what to look for and what to return. Let's start with something small. Type REGEXEXTRACT, select your column, and in quotes type \d. This just grabs any digit it can find. Excel will happily pick the first one. No context, no thinking. But we need 5 digits. Type 5 in figure brackets. Much better, but it's still dangerous. Excel grabs the first one, not necessarily the postal code. And it will also grab any number that has more than 5 consecutive digits. So we need some word boundaries. To add them before and after the 5 digits, use \b. It's not a character, it's a position at the edge of a word. Right now the rule is get the 5 digits that must stand alone. No neighbors, no extra letters, no numbers. In all the examples we will see a white space just after the postal code. So let's grab it in. \s with a plus. It means one or more spaces. Now we stop hunting numbers and start capturing meaning. Last step is the trickiest. Regex can match many things, but which do we actually want? Using parentheses, we can grab everything until the comma. And now we can get rid of our postal codes. Just use the third argument, 2 for capturing only the groups. And the dynamic formula is complete. I know regex looks cryptic at first, all those backslashes and brackets, but trust me, if you start using it from time to time, it quickly becomes your best friend for messy data.